Today, IceRiver launched a new machine, which is the A3. This machine has pushed the hash rate of ALEO directly to a peak of 2 GHz. This also makes it the highest hash rate ALEO machine on the market to date. Its power consumption is 3,400 watts. The estimated shipping date is around November 15 to 30, 2025, meaning shipments will start from mid to late next month, judging from its released appearance. It is a standard mining farm machine. If you need to purchase this machine, or want to learn more about it, or even are considering hosting it, especially friends who have no space at home and want hosting services, welcome to our PoW website or our Telegram group for inquiries. At the same time, let's take a look at the 2 GHz. The daily output is approximately 238 ALEO. The output value, excluding electricity costs, is about $54.86. Electricity costs depend on your actual situation. We also accept A3 hosting services. Our hosting electricity fee is approximately $0.075. If you pay for more electricity upfront, we can offer discounts. If you want to learn more about the miner details, or are friends looking to host the A3, welcome to our PoW channel or our Telegram group for inquiries and information. Get the latest daily miner discounts and mining information